Hello, I want to tell you about the table saw fence that I made. This table saw fence I had to make because my table saw fence was garbage. You clamped it down and it would still move. So I built this one. Now, I don't go into detail on how I built this table saw fence because, well, each table saw is different and each table saw fence is different. So what I've done is I made this for my table saw. You can look at it and tweak the design a little bit to fit your table saw. It's actually very easy, very simple setup. It's 2 pieces of wood, one for the face, for the fence, and one to support it and actually help clamp it to the table. So go ahead and watch this video, take notes on it. Maybe this will work perfectly for your table. Perhaps you'll need to tweak it a little bit, but I don't go into detail on how I made it, but you can see it's a very simple, very simple design. It's 2 pieces of wood and a clamp, and it works beautifully. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and share it. Thank you.
So here's my table saw, and here is the fence. The problem with this fence is it moves. It's clamped down right now, and it still moves. That's an issue. That's a real issue when trying to cut something straight. So I looked around. I could not find a new fence for this. Not a good quality one. So what I did is I built one. The way this fence goes on, slides in there. Take your measurements where you need it to be. Once you get it lined up, take this side, clamp it down. A little difficult, I'm trying to do it one hand. And that's not going to move. Now that's a sturdy fence. Said I could not find a fence for this. I could not find something that would work the way I wanted to. So I built one. Thank you. Have a good day.